So let us start the today's session. Explore the details about a draft site, a perpetual 2D software. Yes, what you hear is right. This is the perpetual 2D software when you no need to invest the yearly amount every year. So this is the one-time investment. You can take your draft site software lifetime it with a one-time cost. So let me go to the today's agenda. Yeah. So we started with the basic introduction, and we started with the what is what is draft site, and why only draft site. So apart from other 2D softwares, why we need to choose the draft site? So we are giving the some advantages, and we give the some overview about the draft site, like how the user interface will be, and how the command operation will be, and how to design our 2D drawings, and those type of things will cover. And we also cover the layer management. So this is the one of the main important one for any drafters. Like if you want to manage your drawings with the different aspects, so we need to arrange different layers. So how to manage the layers in the draft set we are going to discuss in this session. And also about the draft set product matrix, like what are the different modules we are available in the in draft set, and how we need to choose. So those type of things we are going to discuss in this agenda. Let us start with the introduction. So let me give you a small brief introduction about our logical solutions. We logical solutions are the authorized resellers for the 2D and 3D software solutions like SolidWorks and DraftSet. So we are being in the market from past 20 years. We started our company in 2000, and we started with the 4 core member. Now 10 to 50 plus employees are working in logical solutions for giving the customer technical supports and everything. And we also not the authorized resellers, we also deal the customer services also. For example, if we have any type of projects in CAD CAM CAE side, so we are dealing the all type of projects also. And we are having a authorized training center too. If you required any corporate trainings or any internal trainings, individual trainings, we are ready to here with you to give your to meet your requirements. And next, moving on to the what is DraftSite. So DraftSite is a feature-rich 2D and 3D software solutions which can be useful for any designers. Like not only the not it is for a single industry, any industry designs like architectures or the construction side or any mechanical components or any civil structure type of things. So anything, anyone can use this DraftSite for you, like for make your designs. All the designers, educators, everyone. So everyone make use of this one, and you can create, edit, and do the all the markups for your existing 2D drawings or 3D drawing files. Like so any drawing file, you can open it, and you can do the all the edits and modifications what you want to do with a great ease and speed and efficiency. Easily translation from the AutoCAD or any similar CAD applications. As I said, any 2D software solutions, like if it is a DWG file, so anything we can read with a high accuracy, and all the inputs what we given in other softwares. So everything will be outcome in the draft set also. There is no nothing will be lost. We have complete replication from other 2D softwares to here also. And why only a draft site? So apart from the other 2D software solutions, why we need to choose the draft site only? So first thing, as we already said, it is a lifetime perpetual license. Like if you invest one time, you can use it for the lifetime. So there is no need to spend the yearly money. So if you are doing the spending the yearly money for your 2D software solution, then it is a better option to replace your all your 2D solutions to drafts. It is a lifetime solution, so where you can invest one time. And also we have a complete online support from the draft site expertise members. Like so this is the main big one, big advantages over for the 2D solutions. We didn't get any this type of support from other 2D solutions. Like we don't have any dedicated team to resolve your queries regarding your other CAD software, other 2D software solutions. But here in the draft site, so we have a complete dedicated team to resolve your all your queries or any technical issues or any productivity issues. Anything we can take up, and we can resolve all your queries. And also we have a complete online tutorials are available in the official website. though it is a user-friendly software, if you are very familiar, if you don't have any 2D, you're starting from the basics with the software solutions. So we have a complete online tutorials, very easy user-friendly software where you can learn easily with these tutorials. You can make your designs, you can start to make your designs in the DropSet very easily. So I will show how we need to start, how we need to design and what are the command based. Everything will be there in DropSet. So in the next, we will show the DropSet overview, like how the user interface will be, how the command base, and what are the different settings we can operate, and how to save the different file formats. So without taking much time, I quickly jump to the DropSet software. Yeah, so this is the user interface where we have in the DropSet for the DropSet. If you have a AutoCAD solutions, like if you have a other 2D solutions, it is as similar as with the other 2D solutions here. So the user interface will be same, the command based will be same, the arrangement here, the lines and everything. So the every arrangement is also same. There is no much difference between the other softwares to here. So this helps to easy to migrate your other software solutions to DropSet. For example, if you are using a AutoCAD, so your way back you are using the AutoCAD solutions, there is no issue to migrate here all the command user interface. Like if you have what are the commands, what are the shortcut of commands you have in the AutoCAD, so every shortcut command is for the SolidWorks also. Like even you can use the shortcut commands, or you can use this the command manager what we have here. So everything we can dump here. If it is a line, you can take the line. The main beauty over in the DropSet here is if you go into the particular command, the description of that particular command is going to be displayed. So that will be useful to identify what is this particular command and what is this might be useful over here. So let us see about the command base. For example, if you want to design a line, so just hit L enter, it will activate the line command. So where you can operate completely through command based, or you can start from here and in the horizontal way. So same like if you want to draw a horizontal line, you can press F8 to fit the complete horizontal over here. And if you want to design 200 mm length, just move your cursor there and enter the 200. So it is going to be added 200. And if I want to add a 100 over here, it is going to be 100. And again this side 200, and let me close. So same as similar like AutoCAD, you can use all the commands like line, circle. If I want to create a circle, just I can enter the C enter. So it is going to be activate my circle, and you can identify the what are the this midpoint conditions. So these all type of midpoint conditions and everything you can identify easily. You can draw over there straight away. So let me draw it exactly at this center over here. I want the 20 mm this one. So you can add it straight away. So all these type of things like as similar as like AutoCAD, you can replicate everything. And if you want to give the dimensions after you creating, not only that, let me create some more geometries with the circle. Let me add a one more circle over here. If I want to repeat the same particular command, you no need to enter the command base again. Just hit the enter button again, it will add the another command. So let me add a line in between these two. I will add a line like this, and again over here. So I don't want to create, I don't want to put this extra things what we have here. I don't want to create, I just want to trim. So you can use the trim command. You can trim it very easily by just selecting all these portions. You can trim it. So even if you want to add any other circles over here, you can pick the all the Cartesian points like the midpoints and everything. You can take these all snapping points very easily. You can draw your sketches over here. So once after you created these all these things, if you want to mirror same like everything, all the commands, if you want to mirror it completely, you can select all these particular things. Let me select over here this one also, and let me select my position. like this. You can mirror it, you can create, you can trim it, you can create all your geometry. So everything very easy, user friendly, as like AutoCAD. All the command based, no need to replace anything. All the command based and everything as similar as like this one, AutoCAD. And if you want to differ your settings, if you want to like if I want to give maintain my dimensions over here, you can give the all the dimensions. Let me select these dimensions. Somewhere around like this. If I want to change my properties, for example, here the dimension, the arrow marks are not going to be displayed properly. If I want to change my all the settings, you can simply enter D enter. You can give the all the dimension like settings, positions and everything. You can increase the height of the dimensions. Let me take into 5. See, you can increase the all the dimension size, all the setting command based arrow sizes. So everything as you go, you can create your own customized template over here. You can save this template as your standard. For example, if I want, for example, in our company, I have some standards for example, if I'm dealing a different organization, different companies, I want to create the designs. Each company has a different specifications. Like some companies need the dimension style should be like this, and some company should be text should be like this. They have some different properties according to their company. So for the different companies, you can create, instead of rearranging all the what the properties we have. Instead of rearranging all these properties again and again, here you can create your own customized template. You can save this particular template, and once after you done the template, you can navigate for which company you want to do. You can navigate the particular company template. So all the properties what we pre-assigned for that particular company, those properties will automatically arrange in our current designs. So this type of high-end properties we can add within the drop set itself. So like this, you can add your all the properties, settings and everything. And also so when if you can see, you can import images, attach. So the main we have a lot more advantages over in the drop set here is you can trace your image endpoints. So I will show a brief description about how to trace the images in the drop set. So for that application, you can import any attachment from anywhere. Like you can import the images or PDFs, anything you can import in the drop set. You can trace the edges instead of creating again and again. You can trace the, we have an option to trace the all the edges. You can straight away trace the edges. You can start work on that particular model. So I will show the details in detail here. And again, you can insert all the blocks, the clipboard layers, what you want. You can insert all the annotations, like all the mechanical type of things. Let me yeah, so all the mechanical inputs, like if you want to insert a any type of bolts, nuts, washers, if you want to insert, you can just select the particular type of bolt. For example, if I want to insert a counter bolt type of thing, I can insert all that like you can insert all the particular type of anything. See here different standards what we want. You can insert what type of standard you want. You can, all the things, all the toolbox items, everything will be pre-stored and designed over here. So only thing we need to choose is we need to choose the according to our requirement. We can choose it and we can position it where I required. You can position there exactly like this. See, if I insert like this, the particular counter bolt will come and place on the particular position. So all type of bolts, nuts, washers, everything what we have in the mechanicals toolbox library side, everything will be pre-assigned and stored here. These are the holes. What type of holes you want to insert, you can customize. Like if you want to insert counter bore, counter sunk, or a through hole, top hole, slot type of cutting. So all these type of things what we have available in the market, everything will be there and you can place it on the go. And also if you want to create any bill of materials, here we have an option to create a bill of materials. Also you can create your own as often for this particular document there is no bill of material. So when if you want to insert any particular document, like you can export it. Sorry, you can export also. If you have any documentation, like if you have any Excel based is there, you can directly insert that particular toolbox and you can take it and you can also insert the balloons instead of adding the arrows like this datum reference tabs. So everything, instead of doing all these things, here we have a straighter option to add the balloons also. So this all will help to make our designs very easily. And even if you can add some more add-ons, yeah, by default, so Dropset to get some like add-ons are there. We have a like image tracer option, where we can trace the all the edges of images or jpgs, pngs. So all type of images we can take over here, and also we can do drawing comparisons. For example, I made some regions with my current document, and I also have I have one current document. After that particular some applications, I made some corrections. So for that applications, if you want to compare where I want to where the particular design is going to be changed, so you can compare the two particular documents with this particular operation. And also you can also give a 2D G code generators. The for the manufacturing milling applications, you can generate the 2D G codes and M codes also. So this is a very nice tools what we have, what we get with the Dropset. These are the different add-ons we get by default with the Dropset tool. And so once after we done the everything, if I want to save let me open here one particular file which was completely created in like a Dropset. Let me open this. Yeah, so this is a one particular structural structural base which was created in the structural side. We created with the nice structures here with the all the dimensions and all the details what we required. So we given each and every input details and the dimensions. Even we can get the all the like detail views what we have. We can give the all these detail views, this type of annotations where we are viewing where we are sectioning and where we are viewing everything. And also you can create your own customized templates over here, and you can give all these templates. You can create one time these all templates, and what are the information we required generally in that particular template. You can create all these information, the welding spottings and everything. And you can create this nice structure of bill of materials, what is the length and everything. We can create all these things. And for example, if I want to share this particular to out of my organization, like out of the organization, if I want to share this type of thing, you can save as we can save as to different file formats. We have an option to save as a different file formats. Let me say, yeah, control shift s. If you click that one, these are the different file formats what we have here, and we can save in the different file formats. You can if you have a dedicated CAM application, for those CAM applications we need a DXF files. We can import those into DXF files, and also normal DWG files. And also if you want to share this one into PDF file format, we can print also, and you can share it in a PDF file format also. Let me select my window. I want to save this from the here to here. You can save this particular window, and you can preview it. See here you can get the nice structure of this all. You can save in a different file formats according to your requirement. Like if you want to share the documentation side, you can save it in a PDF file format. Or if you want to share to the CNC operators, you can give the DXF file formats. We have Dropset are eligible to give all these information, have a different option to save all these things. Let me go back. Yeah. So as of now, we covered about the how the user interface and the command based settings and saving a different file formats. Let me move on to the next one, the layer management. How to assign the layer management and how to edit the existing layer management. And if I import any drawing from the AutoCAD, how that layers will be come into this Dropset, and how to manage that particular layers in the Dropset. So let us see these all details over here in the Dropset. So let me close this file. Let me close this one also. And let me open the file which was already created in the draft set. If you see this one, this is the file which was already created. So anything if you have in the .dwg, even you can export the different like import the not only the export we have option, we have an option to import also. You can import in a various documents like dw, dxf, different file formats. So we have any standard file format you can import in draft set and you can open it. For example, this is the file which was already created in the AutoCAD with all the layers, with the nice given the pair of layers and everything. So they given all this information. Let us open this particular file in AutoCAD and let us see how it is open. See, so even if you open any AutoCAD file or any other CAD format file which was in the .dwg file format, anything will be readable, and all the layer management what we added with the different color identifications and with the different line formats and what are the texture we are using for the dimension. So everything is will be directly like imported in draft site, and you can manage all these layers. What are the layers we are assigned? All the layers will be automatically copied from the original source file, and it has an option to change everything. Even if you add the layers in the other file format, other softwares also, so those layers will automatically imported, and it is coming in editable file format. It is not going to be a, like fixed file format. We can commit in a editable file format, so it will be very useful or helpful to edit the existing designs what we have. So we can edit everything, or you can hide. For example, let me hide some particular, I want to hide this red color type of thing. Let me, yeah, let me hide this layer. See, so if you hide this particular layer, the particular layer is going to be hidden and displayed the remaining type remaining applications. See, so this type of all layer management we can add. You can add the existing. You can add your own layer management, or you can also let me. If you want to add the new one, you can add it, or if you want to change the existing one, you can change it. So we have a all the things like you can edit or you can change anything what you require. You can do all the things. See, if I had the this particular dimension thing, all the dimension is going to be hidden. So this is going to be helpful to give our tell our manufacturer about the what are the inner detail, the complete details about our product. So this way you can manage all your layers and everything in the draft side. Let me go back to here, and so we have a direct option to sorry. Have a direct option to assign layers, or we can edit the existing layers. What are the layers we are already creating in the other softwares? We can directly import that layers here, and you can manage all the layers in the draft set. So this is where we are going to help you over here in the draft set regarding the layer manager. And let me quickly go to the product matrix and let me explain what are the things we have. And in draft site we have a two perpetual license applications. One is entrepreneur, and another one is entrepreneur plus 3D. So these are the two perpetual license what we have, what we offered. If you want to choose for the lifetime license, lifetime 2D solutions, so these are the two solutions what we have here, entrepreneur license. So all the both the things are very common. The mainly difference over here is between these two is we didn't get the 3D solutions in the entrepreneur. What are the 3D solutions? Like even in draft site also we can do all the 3D applications. We can extrude it, we can revolve it, we can sweep it. So what are the things we done in the other softwares also, we can do everything, but these 3D solutions will come with the entrepreneur plus 3D software. So these two are perpetual license. We can do all type of things, like you can draw the lines, you can modify it, you can create the layers, and you can set the standard complaint drawings, polyline editing, we can do hatchings, we can rotate and everything. and we can do all the layer previews what we given in the other softwares. And main advantage we can get the toolbox items like all the BOMs, division tables, hardwares, surface finish, symbols or geometrical symbols, everything what are the things required for the manufacturing drawings. So everything is going to be pre made and we have stored in the design library. So with that design library you can select, you can take it. You can also do the drawing comparisons between the two softwares. And also we have an option to mass property calculations too. We can calculate the mass properties for our designs, and also and another one is formulating the table cells. Like even if you want to, what are the things we can do with the Excel, like formulations, those things we can do for the tables in the draft set also. For example, if I have a if I want to calculate the overall weight of my particular assembly, you can calculate the software has a capability to calculate the mass properties of the individual parts within the design table. If you include all the mass, you can calculate everything. You can get the what is the overall mass for the particular assembly. And also if I want to do the cost estimation, for example, raw material cost estimation. For example, if I have a raw material cost for each and every individual item what we in our design. So if you want to calculate everything, we can calculate the overall cost for the raw materials. So those type of formulations and everything we can do within the tables. And also you can generate the G code generator, like what are the G codes, what are the codes we required for the manufacturers. That is also we can do automatically in the draft site. And we can have the power trim. And the more advantage over here is image tracer. What are the things like what are the image what we captured from the our mobiles or anything, but should be a high resolution image. So with that image you can directly import into a draft site. You can trace the edges what you required, so you can trace automatically. You can start work from there, your designs. We have all the um, and also one more, home by me integration is available. Home by me is you can capture the layouts of your homes. Like if you have any home type of designing is there, you can capture the what are the layout. You can completely capture the layouts. And we have complete cloud based integration is available. You can do a complete cloud. If you have a already a 3D experience or any other cloud based solutions are available, it is completely integrated with that particular solutions also. And you can do also API macro programming interface is there, macro recording is there. For example, if I have some repeated tasks are there, so instead of doing again and again, you can run a one macro. You can do the automize your things or what standard things with this macro recording. And these will comes in network licenses, and we also available the technical support. So there is no other 2D solutions has this particular advantage giving the technical support. So if you have any problem, you need to resolve your own with the other solutions. But for the drop side, we completely give a complete technical support as per the tool side, or as per the application side, both the things. So we will give the support for you. And let me go to the let me this is a small let me play this video. Otherwise, I think there is a problem with that video. Let me play that video normally. Uh, I think there is a small issue with the network. I think the video has a audio also. I think that is not audible to you. No issue. I will explain the things what in this video we have. So with the this apps, we have all these capabilities like drafting, modeling, prototyping, manufacturing. As if you want a network, what are the required? You can start your integration add-on what we have. I think am I audible? Am I audible to everyone? Hello? Hello? Yeah, let me giving the full details over here. And this is the image tracer, what I explained over there. So you can capture any JPG image, you can track the what are the edges you required, you can track those edges and it will be traced everything. From there you can start your doing works. And this is the home by integration, what I said. If you want to trace your if you want to capture the what are the layout what we have, so you can track you can capture this layout and you can capture the complete layout what we have. You can trace everything with all the dimensions and all the details what we have. You can it will come in a editable file format. You can move in and drag it everything. You can do the all the things, and you can also do all the block attributes manager, center marks, drawing frames, title block library. So all these details important to svg files, everything we can do with this draft site. You can trim and hatch all these all the once you captured everything, all these things are capable to do everything. And let us show what are the highlight features what we have in the here. You can do the all the complete 3D model. So you can do complete 3D modeling like this. You can do all the type of revolves, push and pull, or if you want to add a materials, you can add the materials. You can extrude it. You can calculate the all the meta properties. You can have a predefined some applications like box, pyramid, and everything. And also we have a complete 3D cloud-based solutions are available. It is completely integrated in your cloud-based. What are the designs we already done in the draft set? You can place in your cloud based and you can do all the things, and you can do all the 3D printings, and you can give the complete details for the 3D printings, manufacturing, and everything. And DraftSet cloud solutions are also available. Complete, we have a complete integration over with the cloud. You can do all the things. What are the designs we done in the DraftSet? You can do everything. You can do minimal modifications in the cloud also.